Why is it that a $50,000 car loan can be paid off in 5 to 7 years, yet a home loan of the same amount takes 30 years to settle? Strange, isn't it? The world of loans and mortgages can seem like a labyrinth of complexity with different rules for different types of loans. But here's a little secret. It doesn't have to be this way. Enter Ubiquitous One Group Affiliates. We're here to challenge the norm and revolutionize the way you think about loans and mortgages. It's not about the credit score. It's about your ability to grow your wealth, to strive for the luxuries you desire. At Ubiquitous One Group Affiliates, we believe in empowering you to become your own bank. We offer you the tools to take control of your financial future, to make the rules work for you. Ubiquitous One Group Affiliates is not just about changing the game, it's about changing the way you play it. It's about bringing power back to the people and giving you the reins to your own financial destiny. We're not just a financial institution, we're a movement, a revolution, an uprising. So why does a car loan take 5 to 7 years to pay off and a home loan 30 years? Why not flip the script? Why not make the terms work for you? It's time to redefine the norms. It's time to become your own bank. And with Ubiquitous One Group Affiliates, you can do just that. To recap, the world of loans and mortgages is complex, but it doesn't have to be. Ubiquitous One Group Affiliates empowers you to take control of your financial future. It's not about the credit score, it's about your capacity to grow your wealth. You have the power to become your own bank. So, ask yourself again, why should a car loan and a home loan have different terms? With Ubiquitous One Group Affiliates, you have the power to answer that question for yourself. So, are you ready to take control? Ready to become your own bank? Welcome to the revolution. Welcome to Ubiquitous One Group Affiliates.